Look, everything they do, they use block cement, not briquettes, not briquette. You see the metal, and there. So over there, let me make a zoom. Look, there are some people, some engineers, some builder. They are building a house. Do you know how much money they use in order to get this foundation? That's why I tell you, in this quarter, there are a lot of money. There are a lot of money. They use a lot of money in order to get like this press. So stay with me. Today we are going to explore more about this industry quota. But this is a company. When you see how it's constructed, it means that immediately you know that this is a company. See how they start to prepare where they are going to start to build the foundation. This company is produce iron sheet, nails, and every thing about equipment for construction. Yeah, this is also located in this area, industry quota. Yeah, industry quota. Super Betty. Hey, what's up, people? I hope that you're doing great. I'm a traveler. So today I'm going to make this vlog for showing you this hidden quota in Bujumbura. This quota is called industry quota. Yeah, many people they don't know this quota, but it's a hidden quota here in Bujumbura. So we are going to be amazing for seeing this quota. As you see here, you can ask why it's called industry quota, because they're breeding more industries in this quota. A huge and massive industry. So you'll be amazing for seeing some construction, some birds. So you'll be amazing to see this house. You see that house? No, you see this face. So this face, they're going to build to start for construction. Industry. It's a big industry, and you see another one there. They are putting a lot there. It's amazing. It's amazing. This quota is so amazing. You see there inside there is some machine there. They are preparing the place where they are going to construct a big house. So now I'm the Lord. So this is bad Lord because they are a lot of truck which has sat and storing for carrying here to build this company. You see there where I'm going now, there are some construction which are already be constructed. So it'll be amazing. So don't forget to subscribe to Mario's Traveler, because today I'm going to show you more thing about this quota. I'm going to be amazing. You see this. Yeah, there are some which are already constructed. Look at this face of this industry. Look on my right there are also a massive industry which has already been constructed. So we are going to pass in this road, and we are going also to pass in this road for showing you the more about this quota, what this quota hidden, and also we are going to see that one which is already constructed. So stay with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mario's Traveler. So another thing you want to know is this water, this dig of water. So this industry really is a very expensive for breeding, for starting to get a nice place where you want to breed a house, or where you want to breed a company. So in this quota, there are no people house. There are no house of people who are living, but this is the quota of industry only. So this water, here in Bujumbura is in the face. Bujumbura is not on the mountain, on the hill, but this is a valley. Let me say, it's not valley. It's like plain. It's like a plain. That's why you see the water. The water from the hills, they come here in this quota. And then, in order to build the house here in this quota, really you have to use a lot of money for preparing the place. Yes. One house, they start to build a block. Yeah, a block. You see the portal. They start for building, for starting a portal, because down there is a lot of water. That's why they start like this. And also look at this face. They use a block cement. In order to be strong. Okay. So you see, that's why they are still breathing, and also there. So today, stay with me. I'm going to show you the more about this quota. Look, that's one. So this is the face of that industries. Yeah, look. Yeah. So today we are going to see more about this quota, because this quota is hidden a lot of things. And also in this quota, there are a lot of money. Let me say, there are a lot of money. I will tell you why there are a lot of money. Yes, look at this door. You see inside. Wow, look at this door. So amazing. Look, really look. Wow, look how it is beautiful. Wow. It looks like really. When you want to build a house in this quota, you have to spend a lot of money, because of you have to prepare before starting to get where to put a foundation of the house. Look also this. You see there in the front of those stones, there is something like a valley. You see herbs there. Then, and other one here, he start for breathing a face. But you see inside there is a house which has they just already put iron. Perhaps they are going to put an iron sheet. You see, really they are doing the best. So this is the track. This lot. Inside, they are sad. You see, they are sad there inside. Yes. Wow. Look, they use block cement to build this space. That's why when you want to build a house, someone who has a place of building here, really, he's a rich man. He's going to build a company or industry, but they use a lot of money for seeing the industry, the construction, which has already constructed. Yes, stay with me. You are going to explore more about this hidden quota, a block cement. They are using a block cement in order to construct in this area, because there is a lot of water like this. There is a lot of water. That's why they have to construct a well, the house. Well, even the water fall from down, it can not damage the construction. They use a lot of cement, they use a lot of stone, they use a lot of metallic in order to construct like this, because it's an industry. Perhaps or industry inside there is a machina. So those machina, they have energy for, so they have power, like to the noise. So it means that they build the way the industry in order the industry will not damage. Yes. So over behind me there is a lot of industries which are already being constructed. As you see, like this. Can you imagine to build a house in the area like this? You see, those are water. Yeah. It means that in this area, it's a very, very, very expensive for breeding, because you can't build any industry without having a lot of money, because you are going to spend the money before seeing your industry stands up. Look there, how it is beautiful. Look how they are building that. They use broke cement. For example, look like this place. For breeding, for getting a place here, they start to put the stone, sand, and so on, and they build this house. There they are breeding. They are doing the best. Look there. Wow. That is beautiful. Yeah, that's why these quotas are very, very expensive. Oh, that's house. It has like 5 years. Look how it is beautiful. It is beautiful. In all corner of this quota, really they are breeding. In industries. This is also industries, and in the front of me there is also industry. Look at that one. They just already finished to build. Look how they are. So that's one. He's looking for a place to build. Yeah. They have to spend a lot of money for getting a place of foundation. Yeah, you see, there is a water in this place, but you can still imagine why the richest men like this place. This is a question you can ask yourself. Why the richest men, they like this place? Look over there. They are still building. A big industries. You can imagine why the people, the richest men, like to build an industry in this area. I'm going to give you NASA for this. So there is something makes this quota to be very, very, very expensive. It's because of this road. This road is a highway. This road is a highway. It's nearby the airport. And this quota, it has a lot of place